Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can log into a Grindr account. So you have a Grindr account that you use for online dating and many other reasons, and now you want to log into that account using a new device or using the same device for some reason, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to log into a Grindr account using a Grindr application in very easy way. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to log into a Grindr account is open a Grindr application, and if you don't have the Grindr application, you can simply download it from your App Store or Play Store according to your mobile device. Simply open your App Store or Play Store and search for Grindr, then install the application. Once you have the Grindr application, open the application. Once you open the Grindr application, you will straight land on the login interface of Grindr. Here you have the option to log in using your email address or using your phone number, so you choose one of those, or what you can do is continue with your Google account or a Facebook account. If you want to do that, simply choose one of those options and enter your account credentials in order to log into a Grindr account using a Google account or a Facebook account. Or what you can do is simply enter your independent Grindr account credentials like your email address. I'll go ahead and do that. Once you enter your email address, what you need to do is enter your account password, so go ahead and do that. Once you enter your email address and your account password, simply tap on the login button in order to log into your Grindr account. Once you do that, you'll successfully log into your Grindr account without any problem at all. So those were the simple steps in order to log into your Grindr account in very easy way. That will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.